Hey, third grade, today is Tuesday, January 26th, and you are going to be taking your Unit 7 assessment. So you need to log on to Eduphoria, and then you're going to click Unit 7 assessment, and then you are going to take it in English if you take your test in English, or if in Spanish if you take your test in Spanish. If you take your test in Spanish, your teacher has already told you that this is going to happen. A majority of you will be taking your test in English. It is important that you guys do your best. Show all of your work. I have been teaching you how to do UPS check, and yesterday we reviewed all of the skills for this unit. And so it is really, really important that you take your time, use all of the strategies that you have been taught, and do the best that you can. This will be taken for a major grade, and then tomorrow you guys will have a chance to make corrections and hear a little bit, and we will go over some of the questions that would have been most frequently missed. All right, good luck. Let your teacher know if you guys have any questions.